Ka Avila Catherine Piling do na ka school North Liberty Higher Secondary School Jowai, kalawan hakakerdan ka beningkong ne first position, hakatuk top 20 haka result Meghalaya Board of School Education Embos, jong ka examine Secondary School Living Certificate SSLC, kabalapan bana haka santrig. Ka Avila Catherine Piling do ka deka kun jong ka kong markam niling do bat mapol sena. Ka Avila Catherine Piling do kalayo distinction habaro ki subject English, Maths, Science and Technology, Social Science, Health and Physical Education, Additional English but yo sanspa prapu armarks. Halor kani ka jing job ka jongka ka Avila Catherine Piling do. Kalapan pau ka jing kimen ka bakraw ringkat ka jing anyu i ublay ba dailing ba ka jing don ringkat jong u ba kalapoy siya kani ka thong. Habang ayo ya ka result ngalingo hadu ka ta om namar banga kemilenti ya ka Henry namar banga sngo bakalong ka bakordor namar baro kisnem nga puli da ka babu ya ka jing persyang baro ka bangala ban puli wat kat banga dang bamru teng ngadang perkhat ikikot laong ka Avila Catherine Piling do bat benrap bangalale shisha ya ka aka ka ba ublay ukuloy ban ay khusnam na ka benta ka jing tre shitom jonga habaya day bat ka jing angnu jongka ka Avila Catherine kalaong bakampat syam larai Henry katemu ba hakanu kanu kejing pulik bakan syam kan le ya ka babhatam kalaong ru ba ka kentien im sngi jongka kalong ban trish tom hakanu kejing puli bat ukpa bat ka kemi jongka ru ki penslur ya ka ban trish tom.
First of all, I would like to thank God, our Almighty God, for giving us this beautiful day, for always blessing us. And second of all, I would like to thank my dear parents, which are present here, my father, my mom, who have helped me in my studies. Without them, I wouldn't be here. And especially our dearest principal in the school, who has helped me. All the teachers has played an important role, and this is why I've been able to succeed. They've never turned their backs. They've always helped me when I asked them to. When I got the result, I will admit it, but I was shell-shocked. Not because I was not expecting it, but because it felt so great. All throughout the year, I've been studying, putting in all the effort I could, studying. Even while eating, sometimes I would still think of books. So I really did think that, okay, God will really reward me for my hard work. But it's just that when I saw my name on the first rank, it kind of shook something in me. I felt grateful, I felt happy that my hard work has paid off. So yes, overall, when I saw my result, I felt a bit overwhelmed, but at the same time, it was only because I was happy that all my hard work and effort throughout the year has paid off. Inspiration. I actually will say I have not yet decided. Yes. But, there's the but. I'm planning that in whatever field I take, whatever job or work I do later on in my life, I want to excel in it. I want to give my all, to study my best. And regarding my aspiration, I would say my motto is to work hard no matter what. Like my father and my mother has always taught me the importance of hard work. No matter where I am in life, I'll work hard. So my main aspiration is just to keep putting in the effort, whatever I do. And an advice that I have to give to all the other students, the younger students, including the older ones, I would think it would be effort. Of course, it's a common thing. It's common knowledge to know that effort is very important to succeed in anything in life. But I believe most of the time we forget, especially in this growing world today. A lot of distractions, and people keep forgetting that we have to put in a lot of effort. Throughout my studying for this year, even before, I put in a lot of effort, and yes, my routine was not perfect. Sometimes I feel I wasn't able to study, but the best thing of all was that I was able to get up again. Whenever I fall down, I get up again. So it's a cycle. So to all the other students, I want to tell them that you don't have to be perfect to start right now. Start wherever you are, start studying. Maybe they did not work hard before, but they still have a chance now. They should start, even if they've already fallen down, they should start now and continue to put in their effort. And whenever they work with all their mind and heart, because if we do anything half-heartedly or just for the sake of doing it, or just for marks, then we won't be able to succeed in life. So yes, I request and I encourage everyone to put in the effort to do something that will make them happy to continue to grow in life and to develop. Well, because I've been interested in biology, we could say. There's a lot of things that fascinates me about it, and I've also had an aim to learn more about the subject, more about what is all about life, how we came to be here, all about the chemicals, physics that is taking place. Basically, I want to learn more about our surroundings, about us human beings, and how life works.
Thanks to God for giving us a blessing through our good children. And we are also very grateful to the school, to the principal, Sir Richard, all the teachers, all the staff, and all the students of the school who contribute to the success of our daughter. Yes, we know that the school has done its responsibility for giving success to our daughter. And also I would like to thank my wife, because she is most of the time with my daughter at home while I was away, either in office and some other engagement. And it was her mother who has nurtured her much to bring to this great success. So I thank you, the press and media, and I encourage all the students to have faith in themselves. And I would like to say the same words which Indira Gandhi says: there is no shortcut to success and no substitute to hard work. And always strive for excellence, and success will follow you. Tell the parents, do not pressure your children to study hard, but always advise them to study joyfully, because that was my message to my children. Don't study hard. Sometimes pressing study hard, they get tension. I always advise them study joyfully, like a fisherman going for fishing to what to do even during the night or difficult times. But because it is their passion, their hobby, they do it joyfully, and it become leisure in life. Thank you.